ACE and BCD are two rigid rods connected by the string FG and pin at C as shown in the figure. Find the reaction at A and B and force on the pin at C, and also find the force in the string FG. So there is a string, since whenever there is string, thread, rod, cable, there will be a development of tensile force. So in cable FG there will be a development of tensile force. They ask us to calculate the tensile force in FG, reaction at hinge support A, reaction at roller support B, and reaction at internal hinge C. So again I am going to solve this question in two steps. Step 1, we will consider the FBD of the given frame. So this is hinge, so there will be two reactions. Again these are my assumed direction Rx and Ray. On roller there will be only one reaction, that is in perpendicular to the direction of roller. By applying conditions of equilibrium, I will take moment at A is equals to 0, clockwise positive, anti-clockwise negative. Remember that in the first step your internal hinge will not come into the consideration, only the external support we have to consider here. So RBY at A, it is acting anti-clockwise, so RBY into 3. Moment of this 2 at A will be 0. Moment of this 10, this vertical 10 at A will be 10 into 3 clockwise. And moment of this 10 at A will be 10 into this vertical distance, that is 4, and acting clockwise, is equals to 0. So in the first step we will be getting the value of RBY. Therefore the value of RBY is 23.33. Answer is plus, means my assumption is correct. It is acting in upward direction. Now applying the second condition, summation Fy is equals to 0. Upward positive, downward negative. Ray is acting upward, so plus. The value of RBY is plus 23.33, so that I am considering it here, and this is minus 10. So it will be, value of Ray will be minus 13.33. Answer is minus, means my assumption is wrong. It is acting in downward direction. Now going with the last step of equilibrium, so rightward positive, leftward negative, summation Fx is equals to 0. Rx is acting rightward, so plus. This is acting rightward, so plus, is equals to 0. The value of Rx here I will be getting it as a minus 10 kilonewton. Answer is minus, means assumed direction is wrong. It is acting in leftward direction. Okay. Now in step 1 I am getting here Rx, Ray and RBY. Now again for me I have to calculate the value of a reaction at C and tensile force developed in the cable FG. So now I am going to consider two different members of this frame. One member will be DCB and another member will be the ACE. Step 2. I will draw the FBD of both the members here. Here there is an internal hinge C. There is a tensile force. So tensile force will be acting always away from the object. I can name it as a T, and the name of the member will be GF or FG, whatever it may be. On C there will be two reactions. One will be, I am assuming these are again my assumed reaction, RCY and this is RCX. And at the bottom there is ruler, and on the ruler there is one reaction y direction, and the value of RBY is plus 23.33. B, G, this is C, and this is D. I will mark the distances here. 2 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, and distance between D to C is 1.5 meter, and C to B is 1.5 meter. At the same time, I will draw the FBD of the remaining part also. That is our ECA, 10 kilonewton. Here there is C, and at base there is RAX. The value of RAX is minus 10, but I am keeping the previous assumption with the negative sign, and the value of RAY is minus 13.33. Here there is a tensile force. So for this member, tensile force will act away from the object. We can call it as a TGF or TFG, whatever it may be. And at C, since in the first member I assumed it as it is acting rightward, here I will assume it here as a acting leftward. RCY is acting upward, so here I will assume it that it is acting downward. Okay, dimensions are same. So out of this two member, I can consider any one for getting the required result. So I will consider member DCB. Considered member DCB by applying conditions of equilibrium. Moment at C is equals to 0, clockwise positive, anti-clockwise negative. Moment of this 10 at C will be 10 into 2, clockwise. Moment of this tensile force at C, TGF into 1, clockwise. And moment of this 23.33 at C. Force is vertical, so perpendicular distance will be horizontal, and it is 1.5 acting anti-clockwise. Is equals to 0. So here I will be getting value of TGF. So it is 15 kilonewton. Now applying the second condition, summation Fy is equals to 0, upward positive, downward negative. RCY is acting upward, so plus, and this is 23.33, so is equals to 0. So the value of RCY will be minus 23.33. Answer is minus, means assumption is wrong. It is acting in a downward direction. Now the last condition, summation Fx is equals to 0, rightward positive, leftward negative. RCX is acting rightward, so plus, minus TGF plus 10 is equals to 0. RCX is unknown, TGF is minus 15, plus 10 is equals to 0. So the value of RCX will be plus 5 kilonewton. Okay. Answer is plus, means assumption is correct. It is acting in a rightward direction. So here by solving any one of the member, you will get the desired answer. So you can solve either DCB or ECA. So in frame, try to divide the numerical in two steps. Step 1, consider the external hinge, and in step 2 consider the internal hinge, and try to in step 2 break the frame into two members and try to solve at least any one member so that you will get the desired answer. Thank you.